Hello? Hello? You ready? Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm making pasta bake because I got mad craving for pasta bake, so I decided like, hey, let's do some pasta bake. As you can see on the fire, I got my water for the pasta and sauce. Everything is made from scratch. I got this can, I forgot the name. This is the can of tomato I'm using, not plum specifically, but this brand. I use crush and sauce, and then I had one plum in it, so I just blended it, and that got me into making my own pasta sauce. I'm indecisive if I want to use this, but it's too late because I've already got it open. Voila. And we just wait for this to cook al dente, then I'll go on from there. While I'm waiting for the pasta to cook, I do have a couple of cheese from ShopRite, the Swiss. I'm going to use all of this, and then I also have mozzarella as well for the cheesy top. So stay tuned. So my pasta is al dente, so I'm going to strain it, get the meat on the fire, and let's get started. So I got my meat cooking. And again, the sauce is still going. So now it's at a point that I'm gonna let the rest of it cook in the oven. So now I'm gonna mix everything up and then throw it in the oven. So this is how I do my mixture. So now I'm transferring it into the foil so I can put it in the oven. But I gotta load this whole thing up and add cheese. That's the secret. You can still eat it like this, but it ain't a pasta bake without the cheese. So now covered it with the cheese. I'm gonna put a foil on top and then put it in the oven. Is how I make my pasta bake. So now this is what my pasta bake look like. Look at that. Oh, goodness.